Welcome to Debt Busters. We will guide you through an awe-inspiring voyage in this meticulously produced step-by-step lesson series, giving crucial ideas, inventive tactics, and cutting-edge techniques to elevate your raw video into magnificent visual masterpieces. Whether you're a fresh-faced newcomer looking to make an impression or a seasoned editor looking to sharpen your skills, this ultimate resource will motivate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see and you want to support the channel. Let's get started, shall we? Now let's look at our best online video editor pick, Pictory, where innovative entrepreneurs, marketers, and engineers came together to revolutionize content creation. Pictory identified this mismatch and used AI to transform mountains of blogs, articles, and webinars into many exciting multimedia content pieces. Pictory automates numerous elements of video creation by applying AI algorithms, such as editing, formatting, and optimizing content to fit inside the desired marketing context. This automation eliminates manual video editing and saves overall production time, allowing firms and faceless YouTubers like you to develop engaging visual content for their marketing campaigns more quickly. Let's see how to go about using Pictory step by step. To begin, we will use ChatGPT to write our script. We will instruct it to create a script based on a topic like essential public speaking techniques, overcome your stage fright. Once the script is written and you are satisfied with it, make sure to copy it, as we will use it to generate a video out of it. Now let's get into the world of video creation with Pictory, where your ideas will be brought to life most captivatingly. We will use Pictory's cutting-edge script-to-video function to unleash your script's power. Click my link in the description to follow along. It's free and doesn't require a credit card. Go to Pictory and make sure you have created an account. Once on the platform, paste the ChatGPT script, adding an engaging title that immediately gets the viewer's attention and offers them a taste of the video. Remember that the title is the first thing people see, so make it interesting. Don't forget to go into the Scene Settings drop-down menu right above the script editor and turn off the auto-highlight keywords option before beginning the video creation process. This gives you complete control over the visuals and allows you to accentuate the most crucial components of your script, creatively and strategically. Allow your story to develop naturally, line by line, with each sentence taking center stage in its own scenario. Keep the auto visual selection function turned on, as this allows Pictory's text-to-video AI to read your script and select the best scenes that match your keywords to engage your viewers. Pressing the purple Proceed button allows Pictory's AI-powered technology to do its magic, creating amazing graphics that match and bring your story to life. The next phase is selecting your Pictory template, where creativity and customization reign supreme. As you browse the design possibilities, you'll see that each has a distinct backdrop and text style, allowing you to select the best branding for your video. Consider your intended aesthetic and the message you want to express, and then choose the template that best fits your vision. After selecting a template, Pictory provides a variety of aspect ratios to accommodate different platforms. 16:9 is suitable for YouTube videos, while 9:16 is ideal for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and 1:1 is ideal for Instagram. Select the aspect ratio that corresponds to the specs of your target platform. Since we're making a YouTube video, we'll stick with 16:9 and press continue. Pictory will start producing slides depending on your script. As your words come to life, they morph into visually appealing visuals that fascinate and engage your audience. It will take a few minutes while Pictory interprets the text and searches its large inventory of stock images for the most relevant and exciting media. The software intelligently matches the text with relevant graphics through seamless integration, ensuring every slide correctly supports your script. Here comes the thrilling part. Examine the created slides to ensure that everything is in order. Pictory's AI-powered technology works hard to generate a unified and visually appealing video, but your creative input is crucial. Confirm that the graphics correspond to your vision and that the general flow of the video corresponds to your expectations. When you're satisfied with the results, you can proceed with confidence. Pictory has simplified the process, allowing you to concentrate on the creative parts while it handles the mechanics. So you can give it the green light and prepare to see your script come to life in a visually gorgeous and engaging video. Now you can get ready to share your message with the world and make a lasting impression. Pictory has given you the tools to create a video that stands out, showcasing your vision and capturing your audience. The stage is set and the limelight is yours. Now is your chance to shine. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, Use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Now it's time to dig into Pictory's fantastic world of images and ensure that every frame of your video is spectacular. This is your chance to go over and fine-tune the videos chosen to match your screenplay, ensuring they're relevant and engaging for your audience. Take a few moments to look through each slide, carefully inspecting the selected videos. If you come across any that don't exactly fit your vision or resonate with your message, don't worry. Pictory allows you to make modifications and customize your movie to perfection. Let's begin with the first slide, on which you can make a powerful statement. Simply modify the text and make it larger if you believe it may be more impactful. The text bar is conveniently situated at the top, allowing you to effortlessly alter the size and style. Take the time to assess the videos automatically inserted in each scene as you move through it. Don't be concerned if you stumble upon a video that falls short of your expectations. Pictory gives you the ability to customize it. Explore the Visuals library by clicking the Visuals icon on the left side of the screen. This will reveal an extensive range of videos to locate the ideal match for your desired scene. To find the video that best conveys the spirit of your message, search for specific keywords or browse through other categories. Pictory empowers you to adjust your images to coincide with your unique vision along this creative journey. Every detail counts, and here's your opportunity to create a video that genuinely communicates to your target audience. Remember that you can curate an excellent visual experience as you analyze and adjust each scenario. For example, based on our script, you can choose videos of a frightened person being afraid to speak at the beginning of the video. Then, in another scene, you choose a video of a bold person speaking confidently in a hall full of people. You can decide whether or not you want to display text from your script on the screen. Hover your mouse over the settings on the bottom right of the scene you'd like to edit. You can toggle the hide text option to remove all the text from the scene. You can also click the Apply to All checkbox to make sure that all the text in your video is either shown or hidden. As we dig into the world of Pictory's background audio, you can select the ideal musical accompaniment to set the mood and increase the impact of your video here. Click the audio icon on the left side of the screen and prepare to be blown away by the library's massive selection of music. You'll find a wide choice of alternatives to suit the tone and content of your video, from uplifting songs to calming rhythms. Take your time exploring and selecting background music that fits your artistic idea. Pictory has covered you if you want to include a voiceover in your video. You can either add your own voiceover or use one of Pictory's many text-to-speech voices. Unfortunately, the only language that Pictory supports at this time is English. But you can select a voice that speaks English with an American, British, Australian, Indian, New Zealand, or South African accent. Though I really enjoy Pictory, I have to admit that text-to-speech isn't their strong suit. Like most TTS platforms, the female voices sound better than the male ones. For example, let's choose Aiden.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
And now let's choose Ava.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Tell me which voice you prefer in the comments. If it's neither, feel free to write that as well. You can fine-tune the volume levels in the audio settings to perfectly balance the background music and the narration. Simply click the volume icon and reduce the volume of the background music to roughly 15%. This will ensure that your narration takes center stage while still benefiting from the music's presence. Pictory allows you to intensify the emotions and ambiance of your video by curating the audio experience. The appropriate background music can elicit feelings of enthusiasm, inspiration, or even tranquility, transforming your movie into an immersive experience for your viewers. But it isn't all. Pictory goes beyond the built-in voiceover choices by allowing you to add your own voiceover files and sync them with certain sections in your video. It's your chance to add a personal touch, whether it's your own voice, the voice of a professional narrator, or a voice talent with whom you've worked. Go to the My Uploads section to add your own voiceover. Select your preferred voiceover file from your personal files and easily sync it with the scenes you want it to follow. Pictory gives you complete control over the time and positioning of your voiceover, providing a perfect integration with your graphics. Use the preview option to confirm that everything is perfect. You can hear how the narration sounds alongside your graphics and adjust your audio-visual masterpiece's timing, volume, and overall effect. Now the final step is generating your video. With your anticipation heightened, proceed to the download button. Select the video option. It's kind of hard to see, but I promise it's there, and prepare to be blown away. Your video takes shape while Pictory works its magic behind the scenes, perfectly merging your narrative, images, background audio, and voiceovers into a fascinating masterpiece. Every detail is thoughtfully put together to create a video that will captivate your audience. Now that the generation process is complete, it's time to reap the benefits of your hard work and imagination. Think of your completed video as a monument to your vision and dedication. Let's take a look and see what Pictory was able to create for us quickly and easily.
Public speaking is a skill that is essential for many people in today's world. Whether you are giving a presentation at work, speaking at a conference, or giving a speech at your child's school,
feel the thrill as you prepare to share it with the rest of the world. Now think about the best social media outlet to promote your creation. Pictory allows you to submit your video to your chosen platform easily. Will it be YouTube, where your message can reach many people? Or how about TikTok, where you can get a pulse on trending content? Or how about Instagram, where visual storytelling reigns supreme? You have a choice, and the choices are limitless. Remember to click my link in the description if you'd like to try Pictory for yourself for free. You'll be glad you did. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the best online video editor 2023, Pictory step-by-step tutorial. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the easiest way to make money online for beginners. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the easiest way to make money online for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.